Coffee Gator French press coffee maker, thermal insulated brewer plus travel jar, large capacity, double wall stainless steel 34 ounces, gray. Hate boring, cold coffee? Us too. Our huge capacity kit is vacuum layered and double filtered for flavor fuller than a centipede sock drawer and a toasty brew for longer. Oh yeah, you even get a mini canister for storing your next caffeine hit. Keep coffee or tea warm for 60 minutes longer than glass. The 304 stainless steel is 33% thicker and 20% heavier than the competition. A cool touch handle protects your hands and the spring-loaded, double-screen filter brews a cleaner cup. Professional grade in every way. This brewer is tough, durable and rust-proof. Unlike glass, it won't break when you drop it, but your floor might need some attention. Your search for coffee that makes you smile every time ends here. Plunge into next-level coffee. The Gator press is uniquely designed to stop sediment but let the delicious coffee oils into your cup. This results in a rich, full-bodied brew that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Water becomes magic. We're not satisfied until you are. Our total peace of mind promise covers all our products, partly why we have over 35,000 and counting happy customers. So choose Gator with confidence and look forward to more smiles per cup. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.